Hi, I'm Nathan Boes. I'm one of the new orthopedic sports medicine fellows here at the Steadman Hawkins Fellowship at Prisma Health. So I grew up in Arlington, Texas. I went to the University of Texas at Austin for undergrad. I then went on to Texas A&M for medical school, and then I ended up in Dallas at UT Southwestern for orthopedic residency. And I'm very fortunate to be one of the new fellows here at Steadman Hawkins doing a sports medicine fellowship. Matching it here at the Steadman Hawkins Fellowship really meant a lot to me and my family. I was fortunate to be able to attend an interview here and really saw firsthand the camaraderie between the other fellows, and very fortunate and excited to be a part of the fellowship with the three other fellows as well. So we're super excited to learn from some of the best in sports medicine and to continue on and be a part of this alumni association. So I had the opportunity to, when I was young, learn a lot from my mom and my grandmother, who are actually nurses. I got to see firsthand, what it meant to be compassionate to patients, and really it's my goal to kind of emulate them and what I saw from them early on in the field of medicine. Yeah, so in residency, I had an opportunity to work at Texas Scottish Rite for Children's and worked a lot with pediatric ACL reconstructions and methodologies, and bettering ACL reconstructions in pediatric patients. So I'm looking forward to, continuing on research here at Steadman Hawkins related to not only pediatric ACL reconstruction, but just the knee in general. So my dad recently went through some medical problems, so I got to see, or didn't get to see, I was on the other side of the table in terms of being with the patient as well as being the patient's family. So I got to see firsthand, some of the characteristics that make a good doctor and things that put us at ease as being family members of the patient. And I think, in terms of compassion and communication, as well as being just dedicated to being an expert in the field, were things that, helped relieve his pain as well as made the whole process go much better, relieved our anxiety, and we're just fortunate to be in the hands of great physicians. And those are some of the characteristics that, I hope to emulate and use going forward. So in my free time, my wife and I've got a 3-year-old son. We like to spend as much time, as well as a dog, we like to spend as much time as we can outside. Greenville seems like a great place to really be active and spend time outside doing all kinds of activities. Big college football fan, enjoy watching game day on Saturday mornings. So we're looking forward to just being an active, members of the community of Greenville. So I picked up doing a little bit of cycling when I was in undergrad. I actually participated in an organization where we rode our bike from Austin, Texas to Anchorage, Alaska, raising money for cancer research. So we rode 4,500 miles. So I try to, in my free time, when I have time, I'll go ride, and I enjoy being outside and getting on the bike and doing some riding. So.